Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about this winter storm down here in the southern region. The pink is winter storm warnings, and the purple is winter weather advisories. And the warnings and advisories go from New Mexico over to Mississippi. So some of these areas are actually going to be expecting 4 to 6, even up to 8 inches of snow up in the Dallas area or south of Dallas. And the advisory is where 2 to 4 inches is possible. But then up in this area, and up by the Lubbock area, they're expecting up to 6 to 9 inches. So I guess the qualifications for winter storm warnings are different in each of these areas. Areas in the Houston warning area, obviously, is probably like an inch or 2. But yeah, these areas don't really see much snow every winter. Here is the current radar in the area. There is actually quite a lot of snow from north of Austin up to Waco, Dallas, Sherman. The snow is kind of ending in places like Lubbock and Midland. So it is continuing east. There is a pretty notable line. Let's see what color. I'll do black. It seems to be along this line, kind of, roughly, where the snow and the rain meet. And that will continue to actually move south. And there's a lot of disagreement about where it could be ending. Let's do red for this one. I think maybe San Antonio could see some snow. Possibly Houston could get a mix. But definitely it will get colder as the cold air kind of moves towards the coast. The areas along the coast, like Victoria, Galveston, Palacios, will probably just be all rain. But if you're a bit more inland, like Houston, San Antonio, College Station, you could be seeing a little bit of a mix later on today. And places like Austin, Waco, they're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow during the day. For example, College Station, it's actually snowing right now, according to the forecast or the current observations. Even though the radar is not saying that, but the snow is starting to kind of mix in on the radar. So it'll definitely be continuing throughout the day. Let's check the hourly. And yeah, it'll be kind of mixing during the afternoon, and then after the sunset in the evening, around like 6 to 7, it's gonna be all snow. And then it'll kind of end around 10 p.m., 9 to 10 p.m. And this area will probably get about 1 to 2 inches, but you guys saw the warnings map. Some places could be seeing, 9 inches, so definitely in an area that is not used to snow, there could be some major travel issues. And again, we'll have to see kind of in the along this coastal area where the snow ends, because they just recently added some of these advisories in Montgomery, Waller, and Austin counties. So we'll have to see. But currently it's like the 40s there in this area with rain and rain showers. So we'll have to see what happens. Let's see, does it say? Yeah, so it kind of has the snow ending a bit north of the I-10 corridor, but some other models are having it go more like down to this line. So we'll have to see what happens, but anyways, be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next weather update video.